Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. So in the last video I tried to use this keypad to print the whatever button I was pressing, right into an integer and print that to the screen, and it didn't work. So let's see if we can get it working now a different way. So I'm going through introduction to microcontrollers, teach myself microcontroller programming using this bit of kit called EBlocks. And yeah, it's a proper hit and miss curriculum, this. I mean, it's just, I'd summarize it as poor or extremely poor. But anyways, so task was to display numbers that I pressed on a keypad on the LCD. I tried to use the component macro and that didn't work. So now I'm going to try to do it without the component macro. So that should actually be, in my opinion, better. I think what happens is, if I'm not mistaken, you essentially write 255, or you send all 8 pins high. So if I just read this port C, I should be able to just get the value. So it should just give me 255, and then as I press these buttons, it should give me then a varying value of that. So let me try to basically read my input straight away, and we'll read the whole of port C, and we'll just read it into keypad number, and then we'll just print that number. So if I comment this bit out, I'll just delete this bit. Yeah, delete it. Yeah, I'll delete that. Okay, so read the number, clear the screen, set the cursor to the thing, and then print it and leave it on there for a second. I think that's going to work nicely. And if that works, this may be my shortest video. Dear. I mean, it's never that easy, is it? So after this, what do they want me to do next? So can you rewrite this program using the keypad component macro, or without using it? Extend this program to display numbers that are pressed on the keypad one after another on the top row. Huh? One after another. I don't know what that means, but I think that's finished. And can you see that? That says 0. So I expected that to say 255. So if I then press it, nothing, nothing. So I'm pressing these, I'm getting nothing. So it looks like this won't be the shortest video ever. It should be reading 255. So why isn't it? Once again, I'm stumped. So let's just have a quick look at the code. Reading port C. I've got my keypad there set to port C. And print the number. I know it's a byte. I kind of felt like it should be an integer. So let's try. I mean, 255 is a byte, so it should be fine actually. Start the screen, clear it, read the input, set your cursor to 0. So it currently has a value of 0. Yeah, I mean, this is just a classic case of the curriculum just being crap. So I think at this point now I just skip this whole keypad thing. I mean, this is just bullshit, really. I mean, forgive me for sorry, but it's such a waste of my time. Anyways, yep. All right, another failed one. Move on. So definitely that. Even draw on this. This does not work. So we can scrap all of that. Write a program. Add together two numbers less than blah blah blah. Enter via the keypad. So again, yeah, I just can't get any of this keypad working. So I'm gonna skip over all of this. I apologize if you're watching this because you want to learn about keypads. It just basically won't work, so we'll skip that. And I really don't feel like finishing this curriculum, so I'm probably gonna just blitz through it in another few videos. This is probably the worst set of videos I've ever put on YouTube. Anyways, cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one, where we hopefully go through EEP ROMs.